Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm going to show you this lovely diamond easel card. Pop up, it folds flat, and then it pulls up to sit this way or to stand this way. Let's get started. Card base 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4. These are the measurements to help with the diamond part. A piece of DSP that's 6 by 6. Here's the template, and this is what you have to do for the piece of DSP. And a piece of basic white 2 3/4 by 5 1/4. Get the measurements out of the way. So we'll start with the card front. Bringing the pad in. And just as it says here, you're going to mark the 2 1/8 and mark the 2 3/4. Then you're going to mark 3/4 of an inch on all those 4 points and then cut the center. So I've already cut the center on this one and marked those pieces, and I'll show you how I do it on the pad. So it's a matter of just scoring. You can use your trimmer. I think it's just easier doing it this way, but you just need a little cushion to be able to get it done. And then it's as simple as folding along the score line. I'm going to go ahead and erase the lines. And then these will fold out. The diamonds will fold out. And these will fold in until it looks like this. And that's it. Okay, then for the DSP, cut 3/4 of an inch and cut the 4 inches there, and you'll get these two pieces. And you do the same, and then you score, just as it says here, score at 2 inches. So I did that already. Then I mark the 1/2 inch here, here, and here. And I'm just going to use a pair of scissors, or you can use your trimmer, to cut the mark from here to here. And that's the piece. And I'll erase the marks again. So, all you're doing now is you're going to adhere this here. Let's go ahead and use the glue. Nice and flat, lining up the score marks to make sure they fold all right. T for top. And this will go on the inside. And this will go, oh, I forgot that one's actually. This is what's going to hold the pop-up part. It needs to be raised up a little bit. Like this. And you can either leave these plain, or if you'd like, you can cut these down, but you just have to kind of trim them a little bit. So I'll fold this in half. cut along the fold. And you just want to make them smaller, just a little smaller, so I'm just going to trim them. Here, just about 1/8 of an inch, and then cut them in half. And then just glue them. To match. And I lined up the center. So it really looks like a diamond, kind of a facet. And that is it. What do you think of? And you can do a hidden message if you'd like here. I'll bring these other ones back. They are using the, I was using the 2024 and 2026 in colors. So Summer Splash and Shy Shamrock. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you'd like to see more of these videos, be sure to like, comment, and share, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.